Everything made it, but it made the walls look like that. Pushed them out, Everything got pushed up. Look, made it from Georgia to California, all through the mountains, all in one piece. Jacob Daniel Ripley. Truck number 13, trailer number 53104. Javier Delgado and Son Trucking. We get her done. 60 rolls, baby. Get your carpet. The search keys. We out here. I'm tired as fuck too. And I'm about to get a 4-day weekend, boy. I'm off today, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, go to Houston. So Houston, I'll see you soon. All my cousins in that area, I'll see you soon. We out here, baby.